I'm so nervous.
Okay, that's it. That's the one I remember. This is the first time you've ever seen it. You've never tried them in.
Never.
Boom. Then it's going to take a second, but let's just try them in.
Did I put them in all the way?
Let me see. It takes a few minutes for them to seed. I think it looks amazing. Thank you so much. That does.
And they're not too loose, they're not tight.
Let's just, if you can, a conversational smile that's about half of what you normally do.
See, I'm so used to putting my hand up. I have to stop doing that.
You're scared to smile, I can tell. But I will tell you, how do you feel about the shade?
I like it. I like it a lot.
It's like perfect without being too bright. It's like the brightest you could go without being too bright. They seem to be really glossy. How do they feel on your tongue?
They feel smooth. They feel really smooth. And it feels straight, like I'm used to having rivets, kind of, I guess you would call it, but it does feel different, but it's a good different.
Well, I will tell you, as soon as you get used to it, what'll happen is you'll be known for a perfect smile. Once that thing seats, they'll just be perfect. And so I'm gonna make some analysis on this smile, and then I'm gonna build your bottom, and then hopefully we'll get a follow-up. And I hope that we do, but if we don't, I know that now I'm not only gonna have a smile that's wider, I literally think you're gonna have this super big smile. I think it'll bring it all together where you'll be super happy about being you. Things are working?
Happy. Yes.
People are seeing you smile?
Yes, yes, yes.
This is our third time to talk, and I see such a difference in the person that I met. I can tell you're not afraid to smile. And
Not anymore.
I am so appreciative that your smile truly makes a difference in people. I'm hoping to get you an articulated smile, and I want to get you fully smiling with your bottom teeth. So let's open them up and see what we got.
Okay, here's the tops.
Bam, done.
Okay, now the bottom ones.
Well, yeah, it just got better there. There we go. Yeah, it looks too good. Let me just start now back. See, that looks perfect. So give me a smile.
It's different.
It is different, but when you see that top, that little quarter of your smile, just right there at the bottom, it's so big that you're not gonna be able to do without it. The smile you just gave me just now proved everything to me 100%. I'm looking at a 1/10 of your bottom smile, and before you would have hid that from me. And I'm gonna let it sign off there. I have to tell you, very rarely do I have a vlog of someone I've never met that I appreciate or enjoy so much. It's been good knowing.
Thank you so much.
I've had a good time knowing this kindergarten teacher is doing all these neat things.